Hello, I'm Chris Jackson. Welcome to Craftco. Craftco began in 1981 with Billy and Marva Craft starting as a job shop in their garage of their home. It's grown today to be this 25,000 square foot manufacturing facility. We specialize in fabrication, precision machining, and we even enjoy helping you complete your projects by assembling them for you. We work with customers in the automation world, structural steel, product handling, and we truly believe that we can be a source in your supply chain.
Hello, my name's Salvador. I'm the account representative here at Craftco, and I love what I do because it's about relationships, and Craftco is largely about relationships as well. A quick story on myself. I have a 2-year-old little girl. When she was born, I was encouraged to take the time to spend with my wife and my little girl at home for the first couple of weeks. Craftco is really about the work-life balance. It's a place where you can work, where you will be expected to work. However, your expectations outside of work are also met, and we encourage that healthy balance of work and life. And it's a big part of the reason we live in beautiful Sheridan, Wyoming, is to be able to enjoy life, enjoy the outdoors, and enjoy doing things that bring us pleasures. So Craftco is a wonderful place to do that.
So I moved to Sheridan over a decade ago from a larger city. It's one of the greatest decisions that I ever made. If I had to write a list, it would be pretty long on the benefits of living here. It's a small, tight-knit community. It's got accessibility to just about everything you want. You got larger cities nearby, but one of the best things is being able to get outdoors and enjoy the fresh air. The people are real down to earth, and they're just kind of like the walls within the walls of Craftco. There is that camaraderie, there's that unity within Sheridan. The people actually make eye contact with you. They want to shake your hand. They want to say hi. And from what I've seen, I've lived in a number of places, and I really cannot see myself living anywhere else for the rest of my life.